Most welcome in this English grammar learning session. Today we are to enjoy lesson 7 named future continuous form. It stands for future continuous tense. Structure for the affirmative sentences or positive sentences. Whenever we talk about any tense, then we need to understand its positive sentences as well as negative sentence, and then finally interrogative one. So first of all, we are going to enjoy positive sentences of future continuous tense. Structure for its positive sentence is subject plus will be or shall be plus V4 or V1 plus ing plus object. You can understand this structure with the help of various examples in English and Hindi respectively. Just watch, listen and note it down accordingly. First, he will be going home. In Hindi it stands for वह घर जा रहा होगा. Second, I shall be going home. In Hindi it means मैं घर जा रहा हूँगा. Third, we shall be going home. In Hindi it stands for हम लोग घर जा रहे होंगे. Fourth, they will be going home. In Hindi it means वे लोग घर जा रहे होंगे. And fifth sentence is she will be going home. In Hindi it means वह घर जा रही होगी. And sixth sentence is Ram will be going home. Its Hindi translation is राम घर जा रहा होगा. Now, what do we conclude in Hindi? Sentences in the ending with रहा होगा, रहा हूँगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी, रहा होगा, etc. are treated as the sentences of future continuous form. Now we can understand it with the help of its negative form also. A structure for its negative form is subject plus will not be oblique shall not be plus V4 plus object. Sentences based on this structure are first, he will not be going home. In Hindi it means वह घर नहीं जा रहा होगा. He will not be going home means वह घर नहीं जा रहा होगा. I shall not be going home means मैं घर नहीं जा रहा हूँगा. Third, we shall not be going home. In Hindi it means हम लोग घर नहीं जा रहे होंगे. Fourth, they will not be going home. In Hindi it means वे लोग घर नहीं जा रहे होंगे. Fifth, she will not be going home. In Hindi it means वह घर नहीं जा रही होगी. Sixth, Ram will not be going home means राम घर नहीं जा रहा होगा. In this way, we find all these sentences based on the structure of negative form of future continuous tense. Now see about its interrogative form. A structure of the interrogative form of future continuous tense is will oblique shall plus subject plus V plus V4 plus object. Now understand it through various examples. First, will he be going home? In Hindi it means क्या वह घर जा रहा होगा. Second, shall I be going home? In Hindi it means क्या मैं घर जा रहा हूँगा. Third, shall we be going home? In Hindi it means क्या हम लोग घर जा रहे होंगे. Will they be going home? In Hindi it means क्या वे लोग घर जा रहे होंगे. विल शी बी गोइंग होम, इन हिंदी इट मीन्स क्या वह घर जा रही होगी। 6, विल राम बी गोइंग होम, इन हिंदी इट मीन्स क्या राम घर जा रहा होगा। In this way, we come to the conclusion that the Hindi identity of this tense is Hindi sentences ending with रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे, रहा होगा. And definition for this tense is the tense which describes an ongoing action or event that will be happening at a specific point in the future is known as future continuous tense or future progressive tense or future imperfect tense. In next class, we will learn in detail and get perfection in this tense with the help of various question answer session. Wait for the next and note it down to do better in next session. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solution.